I'm talking to the U.S. Congress, Black Caucus in Washington, D.C. Tell me. So that when something happens, you get upset. When something happens, you take the microphone and nothing happens. It's time for action. Not blah, blah, blah. Not blah, blah, blah. It's time for action. It's time for change. Obama used that when he was running for office. But I don't see the change. It's no change yet. But the change is coming. Yes, it's the time. The change is coming. Mr. Biden? Mr. Biden, you was in the U.S. Senate for more than 40 years. Tell me what you did for the black folks. Now you want my vote? Mr. Biden, you want my vote? Mr. Biden, do you want my vote? Mr. Biden, do you want the black people vote? Tell me what you did for this country in your past 40 years in U.S. Senate. And then you was a vice president for 8 years. Mr. Biden, I'm talking to you. Answer my question, please. Answer the black folks' questions. Don't play us. Stop playing the black folks. We're not stupid. Our eyes is open now. Yes. Mr. Biden, election is in November. The black folks need to get involved more in politics. Also, if we want to change things in this country, don't be a football player, don't be a basketball player, don't be a hockey player, but be a politician after we can change things. I will vote for you. I will vote for you. I will make sure we do everything as a black man to send you to office. But at the same time, black people need to be united. We divided. Black people need to be united. That's why we need a leadership in this country. It doesn't have to be in politics. But we need somebody we can talk to. We need somebody who can stand behind us to say, okay, hey, follow me. We don't have to be in the street demonstrating. But we need somebody while we are in the street. We need somebody who can make a phone call to Congress. We need somebody who can make a phone call in the White House or in the city capitals, the governors, all that. Even the Supreme Court of United States. Oh yes, we need that. We need that. We need a good change, a real change in this country. The time is now. Yes, the time is now. Because I'm talking to my kids every day. Ask my kids question, hey, what do you think about the situation, Mr. Flood situation? When you're driving in the street, you go to the store, they look at you different ways because of your skin color. But also, black folks, we need to change our behavior. But listen to this. Are you listening? We need to change our parents as well. Because no matter what, people look at those things. That's why when you get to the store, they look at you, hey, they call security, they call backup to say, hey, I don't, because the way we look, sometimes, it's not about we black, but because we black, and then we have something on us, make us, the things more difficult, make the situation complicated. You know, guys, I don't have to say everything. it's time to change that as well. It's time to change that as well. It's time to change. But when I look at the demonstration, we have a lot of white folks who participated on the demonstration. Yes, because those people also want a change. In the 21st century, well, some white folks see things different way. Because right now we have a black folks married with the white folks married with the white folks. They go to college together, they play football together, they play basketball together. They do a lot of things together. But we want Washington, D.C., we want the state, we want the city to look at that as well. The law of this country need to change.